Hello student. Today we are going to revise our poem. Please listen. First we read the whole poem and then we start explanation. Poem name, please listen. When I ask you to listen to me and you start giving me advice, you have not done what I asked. When I ask you to listen to me and you begin to tell me why I shouldn't feel that way, you are trampling on my feelings. When I ask you to listen to me and you feel you have to do something to solve my problems, you have failed me, strange as that may seem. Listen, all I ask is that you listen. Don't talk or do, just hear me. Advice is cheap. 20 cents will get you both dear Abby and Billy Graham in the same newspaper. And I can do for myself. I am not helpless, maybe little bit discouraged and flattering, but not helpless. When do you something for me that I can and need to do for myself? You contribute to my fear and inadequacy. But when you accept as a simple fact that I feel what I feel, no matter how irrational, then I can stop trying to convince you and get about this business of understanding what's behind this irrational feeling. And when that's clear, the answer are obvious and I don't need advice. Irrational feelings make sense when we understand what's behind them. Perhaps that's why prayer works sometimes for some people, because God is mute and He doesn't give advice or try to fix things. God just listen and let you work it out for yourself. So please listen and just hear me. And if you want to talk, wait a minute and for your turn and I will listen to you. So basically in this poem, poet are complaining about something. Poet wants to say that when he start talking about something or somewhere, they give them advice without listening anything. Abby and Billy start giving him advice. Okay? When he said that just listen to me, they began to tell me why. Why should they listen to poet? It shouldn't feel like that way. That things was trampling the poet's feeling. When poet tell them to do something for him and tell them that he wants to say something, they start to saying that they have to do something and they have some work. Without solving the problems, they failed poet. Poet is just saying that listen to me first, don't give me advice, don't make an issue of anything, just listen to him without any complaints and without any explanations, without any advice. And when he's saying something to you, don't just hear him, just listen to him carefully, don't talk in between. And if you want to give me advice, so poet don't want that advice, because advice is very cheap in 20 cents in the newspaper columns. So if he wants any advice, he just take the advice from there. Okay, poet is saying that I am not helpless, maybe just little bit discouraged and demotivated, but I can do my work from myself. I am little bit discouraged but not helpless. When poet telling someone to do something, if then Abby and Billy start making some issues that they have to do something or they have to do something related, वो advice देने लगते हैं, and without listening they just ran away and saying I have to do something, या फिर आप ऐसे का ऐसे कर लो. So poet is very irritated with these kinds of things. Poet is also saying that if you are doing something for me, so don't just judge me and don't start saying we are doing this for you. I am not helpless if you are doing something, so this is your love and I am not your duty. Poet want to say that also, okay, if you accept it as simple fact that I feel what I feel, no matter irrational is it, that I stop convincing you. Poet wants to say, when you understood that the feeling which I have is I have it. Don't judge me on it. So if you do this, I am stop trying to convince you or stop saying you okay, what I feel. And once you understand what is the reason behind this irrational feelings, you don't need to give me advice after that. The answer will be, because when you understand the feeling behind that irrational behavior, the answer will be very obvious, and poet did need any advice. Irrational feelings make sense sometimes when we understand what is the reason behind them. Okay, perhaps God didn't listen everyone, right? Perhaps the prayer works sometimes. God is mute. God doesn't tell us ke do this or God fix our matters. No, He just listen to us and give a power and don't fix our matters and things. God just listen and do, and only let us work on it by ourselves only. So please, when poet is telling to listen to him, just listen to him. Don't make an issue. And if you want to talk, just wait for yourself, wait for your turn, and poet will listen to you too. Thank you.